In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to arrange your course materials. When you start to build your course, you may have different files that you have added to File Manager of Canvas, and you may start to build your assignments. And you may have quizzes and discussions, and originally you may have all of them going to the different places in Canvas. Let me put that image up here. So you may put all the files under files and all the quizzes under quizzes and all the assignments under the assignments. So the problem for doing that is sometimes you may display, for instance, two files for the first week and one assignment, and maybe you choose a quiz 2 for a particular week. And then you ask students to go to discussion 3. So as students look for different elements you ask them to view or participate in, they may easily get lost or distracted. So it's much easier for you and the students if you can put them in modules. For instance, in the module you can have file 1 appear first, followed by the assignment, and followed by one quiz or even two, and then a discussion. So students just follow the sequence exactly the way you laid out, and then you put some time parameters to this, or you can require them to complete everything within this module. And then after they finish everything in module 1, they move on to module 2. So that way it is much easier for people to follow, and it's easier for you to teach as well, because you will not have to answer different questions about course logistics, where to find this, where to find that, because you have everything laid out in a way that is user-friendly already. Now let's look at the way we can actually design the course in the modular format. As I explained, you may have different files added here under Files. See, I organize them by folders, most of them anyways. And I may have some quizzes here. And I may have some assignments. Okay, now I decided to put everything under modules. So you click on modules, which may start it as grayed out because you may not have content to it, or you have content that is not published. Once I click on modules, I should be able to add a new module, which I can call module 1, and I add this module. So now this module 1 appears. After this appears, you can start to add content to it. Click on this plus button, and you can add an assignment, or you can add a new page. Let's say I want to add a new page called module 1 overview, and I add this item. So now I have a page added. It may start as being blank, and you can click on edit to add content to this page, your text or audio, video, or pictures, whatever you can imagine content-wise. So you add this page, and after you have finished writing things up, you save this and publish this. Or you can just save it for later editing. Okay, so I'm not going to work on this right now. So that's module 1 overview page. And then you can start to add other content by clicking on this plus button again. Let's say I want people to do an assignment right now. You see, I have already some assignment listed here. I can simply choose this that I put there already, or I can create a new assignment. So I have paper 1, 2. How about we create another one called paper 3? Okay, I add this item. So now you have some kind of overview, an assignment, and now you can add some quiz. If I already have some quiz that I want to use, I can just select it and add it. The way Canvas works is, let me just drag this to the beginning so that it's easier to see. Okay, I drag this to the beginning. So now that's module 1. So everything I added under module 1 will also go to their corresponding places here. For instance, I added a page called module 1 overview. It's a page. It will go under page. I added paper 3, then this paper 3 will go under assignment as well. So As you add more and more things under content, they will also be filed under their corresponding categories here. While everything that you added under Module 1 should also be added to their corresponding places here, the reverse is not true. If you have everything created for quizzes or pages or assignments, they will not automatically go to different modules. You will have to add them or arrange them. You can click on this plus button to find them and add them to the specific modules. You may have also noticed that I have only a few items shown here, but the rest hidden. Why is that? Because I want to cut down on the redundancy in the course, and I do not want people to have different ways to access the same thing that may get them confused. For instance, if you ask students to click on pages here without hiding that, people may go here and try to look at the different pages that you have there, and they may be confused what everything is. Some of this may not be the thing that you use, or they can go to quizzes, and some of the quizzes you may not have published. Okay, some of the quizzes that you may not even ended up using. That's all I have for this short tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Thank you very much.